Every kitchen is different, so how can you plan for it accordingly? Kinsman has come up with a timeline of what to plan for in easy steps. You need to meet with a designer, gather your on-site measurements, and select appliances, surfaces, and finishes. This is the time to order your appliances and finalize finishes. This stage will also require you to schedule a site check. Once the site check is carried out and you've signed off your plans and paid your progress payment, your new kitchen will go into production. Production will take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. Now is the time you need to organize the removal of your old kitchen, any structural works, and get the area ready for the delivery of your new kitchen. Before your Kinsman kitchen is delivered, make sure your electrical and plumbing work is done. If you've decided on a stone benchtop, you might need to wait a few days before you can cook, as stone needs to be measured once the cabinetry is installed. So make sure you think about where or how you're going to prepare meals during this time. And lastly, clean up and invite your family and friends over to enjoy a feast in your new kitchen.